Ever wondered how to make a man deeply obsessed with you? It's not about beauty or money, but rather a more subtle approach. We've all felt that pang of being unappreciated or unnoticed in a relationship, and it can leave us feeling a little lost. But fear not, because there are tried and tested ways to spark that obsession, and it's not as complicated as you might think. Drawing from reputable relationship books, expert advice, and even scientific research, we've distilled down the essence of what it takes to make a man's heart race. Whether you're in a relationship already, or you're still looking for that special someone, these tips can help you create an irresistible aura that will keep him hooked. So, are you ready to discover the secret recipe for a deep and lasting connection? Stay tuned to discover the 5 secret ways to get a man deeply obsessed with you. The first secret is what psychologists call social proof. This is a fascinating concept that delves into the human psyche and our inherent need to fit in. It's a principle that suggests we are heavily influenced by the actions, opinions, and decisions of others around us. Dr. Robert Cialdini, in his renowned book Influence: The Psychology of Persuasion, brings light to this phenomenon. He illustrates how we, as social beings, tend to gravitate towards what is popular or desired by others. This extends to our romantic relationships as well. Imagine you are at a social gathering and you notice a few people showing interest in a certain individual. You are likely to feel a spark of curiosity, maybe even attraction towards that person. It's a subconscious process, but it's very real, so showing him that other people find you desirable will make him more drawn to you. The second secret is scarcity. To understand this, let's turn to the wisdom of relationship expert Matthew Hussey. According to Hussey, making yourself seem scarce can make you more desirable. It's not about playing hard to get, but rather showing that you're a person with a full and vibrant life. You know your worth and won't settle for less. Hussey suggests that you don't always need to be available at the drop of a hat. Show that your time is valuable, that you're in demand, and that he needs to make an effort to be a part of your life. This doesn't mean you should ignore him, but instead balance your availability with your independence. When you create a sense of scarcity, it lights a fire. It introduces the fear of potential loss. And in the face of losing something valuable, we often realize just how much we want it. By creating a sense of potential loss, he will be more likely to become obsessed with you. The third secret is boosting his ego. Now, we're not talking about mindless flattery here. It's about genuine appreciation of his qualities, the things that make him, him. A man, like anyone else, wants to feel valued and understood. Research from reputable relationship experts and scientific studies show the significant impact of positive reinforcement on human behavior. When a man feels admired and appreciated, it boosts his self-esteem and increases his attachment towards the person giving him these positive feelings. It could be as simple as praising his problem-solving skills or appreciating his sense of humor. Remember, it's about recognizing his unique qualities and making him feel good about them. It's about making him feel like he's the best version of himself when he's with you. And when you do this, he'll naturally associate these positive feelings with you. By making him feel good about himself, he will associate those feelings with you. The fourth secret is reciprocity. Now, what does that mean? Well, it's all about giving and receiving. It's a fundamental principle in human interactions, and when applied correctly, it can spark an irresistible attraction. Dr. Robert Cialdini, a renowned psychologist, has done extensive research on this concept. He found that when you offer something to someone, whether it's a small gift, a compliment, or an act of kindness, it creates a sense of obligation within them. This sense of obligation often leads to a desire to return the favor. In the context of a romantic relationship, this could mean cooking his favorite meal, showing genuine interest in his hobbies, or simply being there for him when he needs you. The key is to give without expecting anything in return. This selfless act of giving can make him feel valued and appreciated, and in turn, he's likely to reciprocate these feelings. If you give him something he wants, he'll be more likely to reciprocate the feelings. The fifth and final secret is a sense of mystery. Can you predict what's going to happen in the next chapter of your favorite mystery novel? No, right? And that's exactly why you keep turning the pages. The same concept applies to relationships. By keeping a sense of mystery alive, you keep your man intrigued, his interest piqued. It's not about playing games or hiding who you truly are, but rather about not revealing everything all at once. Relationship expert Esther Perel says it best. Mystery is not about traveling to new places but looking with fresh eyes. It's the allure of the unknown that keeps us coming back for more. So, whether it's surprising him with a spontaneous date, taking up a new hobby, or simply being unpredictable in your daily routine, These elements add to the mystery. By keeping him guessing, you keep the chase alive. So there you have it, the 5 secrets to make a man deeply obsessed with you. We've navigated through the principles of social proof, where the desirability others see in you can serve as a magnet. We've touched on the power of scarcity, where creating a sense of potential loss can ignite a stronger desire. We've discussed the art of boosting his ego, making him feel like the king of the world. We've delved into the law of reciprocity, where giving him something he wants can deepen his obsession. And finally, we've explored the allure of mystery, keeping your moves unpredictable to maintain the thrill of the chase. Remember, these secrets are not manipulative tricks but proven strategies from relationship books, experts, and scientific research that can help you create a more profound connection with your man. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more relationship tips. Don't forget to watch other videos from this channel. Until next time, keep these secrets in mind and make him obsessed with you.